It's the Techstination Week podcast. I'm Fred Fishkin. Welcome to the compilation of this week's Techstination reports and more. Shopping for a golfer, or maybe yourself? The latest tech from SkyTrack can help improve accuracy by providing detailed data. The in-home SkyTrack uses high-speed cameras to capture motion physics, and software provides readouts on what needs to be corrected. And President Don Thorup says customers can get pretty creative when it comes to setups.
We see installations that range anywhere from someone in New York City who has hung a bed sheet or a blanket over a door frame and is hitting into that in their small apartment in New York, to setups in Colorado during the winter on the deck with heaters going, to garage setups.
The price, about $2,000, but you can find pre-Father's Day discounts at skytrackgolf.com. The folks at Traeger who invented pellet grilling have added some new connected features to some of their newest models. They call it Wi-Fire, allowing the grills to connect to your home wireless network and giving you control through an app from anywhere. While that may not make sense for ordinary propane or charcoal grills, with the Traeger pellet system and temperature controls, including smoking capability, it can be very useful. Director of Marketing Chad Ward says that's just one advantage.
So one, you're cooking over wood fire 100%. Two is you've got the ease of operating an oven.
And the results are deliciously impressive with a variety of options when it comes to pellet flavors. The app not only gives you control, you'll find recipes as well, even, believe it or not, one for chocolate chip cookies. Learn more at TraegerGrills.com. A smartwatch designed with French style. Noah watches have a classic look with traditional dress watch styling and quartz analog movements. But when paired with a smartphone, it has basic smartwatch features and runs on a battery that lasts about 8 months. President Sebastian Drivent.
So you simply push the crown to activate the smart features to connect your watch to the phone. Then you can sync your fitness data. When you don't use it, you just switch off the Bluetooth. It's like having a traditional watch with no recharge, with a couple of nice smart features.
The new Noah Superb is on Indiegogo, priced as low as $122. Find more at noah.watch. It's NOWA.watch. Leading drone maker DJI is taking a big step when it comes to safety. Beginning next year, all new consumer drones that it sells, weighing over half a pound or so, will be equipped with what DJI calls AirSense technology. Corporate Communications Director Adam Lisberg.
The pilot of that drone will be able to sense nearby aircraft, nearby helicopters, nearby airplanes, and will get that warning in enough time that they can descend, get out of that aircraft's path, and hopefully eliminate any possibility of any kind of separation incident above them. It's an aggressive engineering challenge for us.
The technology has previously only been included in some professional level, typically larger drones. The latest robotic cleaners from iRobot are not only more powerful than ever, they're also smarter. Just out are the Roomba S9 Plus with clean base automatic dirt disposal and the Brava Jet M6 robotic mop. Using Amazon's Alexa or Google, you can control them by voice, go clean the kitchen, and product manager Brent Hild says they can also communicate with each other.
So now essentially you can leave for the day, and when you come back, your home is not only vacuumed, but the robots talk to each other, and the Roomba will tell Brava to mop once it's done vacuuming, and you'll come home. Your house is not only vacuumed, but it's also freshly mopped.
The two together, including the clean base automatic dirt disposal, will run you about $1,800, and they are available now. For more, head to iRobot.com. Those are our reports for this week. You can find a full archive of reports and complete interviews at Techstination.com. Thanks for listening. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.